But if you stick with a good make like Cobra or Escort or what have you, it will detect laser even like a mile away. It will detect it. You can see this is in daylight, so the garage is a bit dark. You can see. Get a little bit closer. You shouldn't only do this at home, by the way, because especially with these rubbish laser testers, these laser testers like the AL, the RB905 and what have you, Laser Elite, Snooper, they were only ever made to test these damn things, not laser jammers. They were never designed for it. The signal is completely wrong and can and does ruin dozens of jammers around the world. So it's quite safe if you point the right sort of stimuli at it. Won't go any closer than that, but as you can imagine, even from a great distance, this will still produce kind of 8 to 10 watts, a lot more than a lot. Oh, there we go. That's what happens if you're not too close. That's on this gun. That's a jam code. That's not so close. It's actually making its way into the bottom receive aperture. It'll probably keep doing this. It surprised me. The angle might not be quite right on the lens. It's quite tricky at this range getting it to go into the lens because they're about 2.5 inches apart here. You can see. Got one error too, that's a jam. Very hard to do. I've got a video on my channel made by a guy called Racer X years ago. He demonstrates like 5 or 6 laser jammers, including the awesome lead attack, has to be said, the barrage jammer, the first jammer from the early 1990s. And you will see on that video, which I might put on my website, you will see on that video that none of the guns at this range, at close range, none of the guns, none of the jammers will jam the gun at this range like that just did. Which kind of tells you something. The angle's probably pointed up a little bit too much. That is what you see on this gun. I've got a video somewhere of Radar Roy demonstrating this very gun, this very same, my old marksman gun, and he also gets E02s at 500-600 yards. Oh, yeah, again, there we go. So it is a bit tricky close up, it doesn't always make its way into the aperture. That is a jam code, that is a jam on this gun. Defiance of science.